Hey y'all, it's your girl Luna. Welcome back to my world. So today, I already started this vlog. I just got like a late start as to doing an intro because these last few days have been so hectic and so chaotic, like I mentioned in the last video. And I feel like you can see it in the actual Get Rid of Me for the Tea Party video. But nonetheless, we're here and we're doing a maintenance vlog for the month of August and for my trip to Chicago, which is actually in 3 days. It's actually in 2 days, but it's okay because we're here. So yesterday, as y'all saw, I went to the nail salon. I didn't really get much footage of the nail salon like I did before because I was actually in a soak off. So my nails are off. I have to get a full set, which I'm doing tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, today we are going to work. So I'm actually running late for work. I won't be working here for long. Diary entry coming soon. But basically today I am going to work, and then after work I am actually leaving work at 4:30 in the middle of the day to go to the other side of Queens to go see my girl Sade to get my lashes done. I'm doing a freestyle set, but I want to show y'all the set that I'm going for because whenever she does my nails it looks amazing. But my thing is that like I don't like volume. Like I have really thin and short lashes, so I feel like a heavy lid look kind of crazy on me sometimes, but I still look cute because I'm me. But I want to get my lashes done, and I saw this freestyle that she actually did on another client. So I'm actually going to show her what I want, and then we're going to attempt to recreate it. So it looks like this, actually. So I feel that is so cute. And it has like short bottom lashes, if you can't see. But this is so cute to me. So I actually want to do that. Probably put in some white color lashes and just go with that. And yeah, that's basically the plan for today. Tomorrow I'll do my hair and my nails, and then I am done for this maintenance vlog, and I'm gonna start my Chicago vlog. So I'll see y'all probably when I'm at work to show out my office space since I'm leaving soon, and at my lash tech. I am currently about to leave work now. I didn't really show y'all the office space because it's really empty, but I can show y'all now because I won't be here for much longer. Some things that I had got for the office. A feelings chart, feelings wheel, locus of control, as well as a coping skills alphabet chart. We have this display here. All of this will be gone in it. For your hair. But yes, we are here now, and I am about to leave to go to Elmhurst. I'm currently in Jamaica, Queens, but my lash tech, like I know, is in Elmhurst, so I'll be going there now. And I'll just catch y'all when I get there. Bye. So I'm actually in the bathroom in my lash tech studio area. I got here a few minutes ago. It was kind of early, so I went to Starbucks, got my little drinky drink as y'all saw. And now I'm about to use the bathroom because when I drink Starbucks, I have to use the bathroom a lot. So I'd rather get that out the way now before I go sleep for the next 2 hours. So yeah, today we're doing a freestyle set. I want some color and some bottom lashes, so we're gonna see how that turns out today. But I am really excited. I already came in, like I was talking to her and everything, so we had our little chat moment. We're still probably gonna chat some more when we go there, as y'all will see. But yeah, we're about to cue the montage. I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say, I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say, I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say, I don't mean to be bold. Hey y'all, so today is Tuesday, August 13th. It's currently like 8 o'clock. I'm about to head out to leave and go to my Hair appointment. Last night my camera had died as I was getting my lashes done. I really didn't know anything about it because my eyes were closed, quite literally. But these are the lashes. I also got some bottom lashes, so that was really cool. I'm currently heading out to go get my hair done. Obviously, I'm gonna stop at Starbucks because I actually have an appointment back to back. So once I'm done with my hair, I gotta go back to the other side of like Flatbush area, by Prosper Park, to actually get my nails done. Like I said, this time around we're doing something real simple. It's still along the line of French. I've been feeling French nails a lot. I don't know why, but we're doing a short chrome set, so that'll be really cute. We're doing something different again with our hair. We're not doing long because it's too hot for long hair. I don't need any more hair on my back, so yeah, just come along with me on this ride to get beautified. I'm actually walking to my braider right now. Secured the Starbies. And tell me why I'm walking to the shop. I listened to what's his name? Don Toliver's last album. And why is it that song with Charlie Wilson and Cash Cobain, I didn't know that was on his album. I didn't know that was his song. But I'm actually here now. So I am about to quickly use the bathroom, go downstairs, and let her know that I'm here. I'm also gonna be working, so not really. I'm doing the bare minimum today. I'll see y'all when I'm in a chair and eat my breakfast. I'm in the seat. I'm actually going to take off these scrunchies because the way that I did them today, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the smartest way to do something like this. I kind of like tied them at the root and then twisted the hair and then wrapped the twisted part. It wasn't ideal, but don't mind the sound in the background. It's just the air. It's hot. If you're mad at it, oh well, mute it and then carry on. I might have been cutting my hair off slowly over the last few months, but the girl still got some hair in her head, and I still got a long way to go because I was at a point where I had middle back length hair. So to all the girls who think it's not possible, honey, it's possible. It just takes time, love, and dedication. And I got a iced matcha latte with oat milk, light ice, 2 pumps of vanilla, and non-dairy vanilla sweet cold foam. It's so good. I love matcha, so it was a win-win for me. But I'm about to cue the montage because I'm about to eat my breakfast, start doing some work, and getting my hair done. So cue the montage. Hey y'all, so I just finished my hair. As you can see, I got a knotless boho bob, so I really like it. My nail tech canceled. Like I said, she's not feeling well, so she had to cancel. So that leaves me with finding somebody else to do my nails. I'm just gonna go to the nail salon that I go to get my toes done, which is actually like 2 blocks away from my actual nail tech. I'm gonna go in there and get a short set chrome French tip and see what happens. I'm praying for the best because I know some girls there do actually do really great nails, so I have faith in them. I stick to what I know, and what I know is that my nail tech is gonna eat it down, so I love her forever and always. I'm just gonna head in there now, get my nails done. Hopefully I can record it. So I will catch y'all once I'm in the seat or back at home. Hey y'all, so hair done, nails done. Y'all saw the nails. I'm not the biggest fan of these nails, so I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I just feel like I've been going to my nail tech for over a year now, and I have no faith in them. As long as they last until the concert, I'll be somewhat okay with it. Now I am going to go get some dumplings because I'm hungry. It's time for me to have a snack now, and that's gonna be dumplings. Yeah, that's basically the whole entire maintenance vlog, to be honest. I'll probably close out the vlog once I get home. Hey y'all, I am finally home. I've been home for the past like 12 hours. Once I came home, I didn't realize how much more stuff I had to pack in my bag. And I'm the type of person where I have to pack like at least a week in advance so that I'm secured in what I actually have in my suitcase. So I came home, finished my itinerary. After doing my itinerary, I realized I had to pack more clothes for the trip because I didn't have all the outfits that I wanted to wear for certain events. Well, I overpacked because I gotta make sure every single outfit is giving. I have to look like I wanted to go outside, and I do. So it took so long to the point where it got dark outside. I'm tired of filming in the dark with my camera light because I like natural sunlight. It looks better on the skin. It's not too harsh, and you get the authenticity of what I really look like. So I just want to say major shout outs and thank you to all of you all who have made it this far. When I say this video was so stressful and chaotic, at least for me on my end, it was so chaotic. As y'all saw, my nail tech canceled. She wasn't feeling well. I understood this, so we're going to reschedule for a later date. I'm going to get the same exact set. So I want y'all to look at this. These are the nails that I got from the Asians. Nails, they're not bad. Because I've been going to my nail tech for over a year, I could tell the difference in quality and like how they do things, because there was something that they skipped over. They didn't do like the dry manicure. They didn't I guess like buff out the corners or the edges. Like at a certain point, like the acrylic was like digging into my skin, so like it was hurting, so I had to crack it and like break it off a little bit. It won't last that long, I expect that, but nonetheless, I got my nails done, so I was grateful. It was under my budget at least, so I wasn't mad at it. Thank you guys for watching this video and sticking around for this long. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you feel called to do. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.